In today's WordPress SEO setup tips video, what I'd like to share with you is a massive tip when dealing with builders and plugins for your WordPress site. Something that I've been finding with clients and also people in my mastermind, they've been running into a very similar issue when working with some builders. Now, I don't want to point out the builders. I just want to give you a tip so you don't run into this problem. But with that being said, my name is Chris Palmer, and let's get directly into these tips. Now, regardless if you're utilizing, say a Beaver Builder or Divi or Visual Composer or any of these like Elementor, any WordPress theme builder or a plugin that's for building up a website, a common problem that I've been seeing lately is the doubling up of heading tags. So what I mean by a heading tag, if we look at this WordPress website, this is just a law firm using WordPress. What I mean by doubling up the heading tags is having 2 repeated H1 tags or 2 or 3 repeated H2 tags or H3s or H4s. So the problem here is with some of these builders, there's multiple views. So there's a way that you can actually look at your WordPress website from a desktop view, a tablet view, or a mobile view. So if you're editing the mobile version, you need to be very mindful that you're not doubling up your heading tags because this could be detrimental to your overall rankings. So how you can combat this is A, be mindful of this, but B is after you've launched your site, or if you want to take a look at your site now, you can use a free extension. Now, the free extensions that I like for checking heading tags are SEO Meta in one click or the SEO Pro extension. So all you simply have to do is get this free Chrome extension. They also have equivalents on other browsers, but for this instance, I'm using Chrome. So if you take a look up here in the right-hand corner, you'll see that I already have the SEO Pro extension installed. I'm going to look at the headings. Now, this site is clear. They don't have this problem where they're doubling up the H1s or doubling up H2s or H3s. And this is another common problem with some plugins. They're going to make you use heading tags for maybe your reviews or for your comments. This is a massive problem with some WordPress plugins and themes, that they force you to either double up heading tags or double up comments or put your reviews inside of a heading tag. Heading tags are for optimization, so you really want to be very mindful what you're putting into these tags. So to wrap up today's video, the massive tip is A, be mindful when you're setting up your pages for different views, whether it's mobile or desktop or tablet. Make sure you're not doubling up your heading tags. Just to double check your work, feel free to go over to your Chrome browser, download the Chrome extension, SEO Meta in one click, or you can go ahead and get this one, SEO Pro extension by Marketing Syrup. Take a look at your heading tags. Like go to your website, click on the tool up at the top, click on heading tags, and just make sure you're not having this, I guess, relatively difficult problem or very common problem. My name is Chris Palmer. This is going to wrap up WordPress setup SEO tips. If you have any questions related to WordPress SEO or any other SEO tips, questions, feel free, go ahead, ask in the section below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next WordPress SEO setup tips video. Have a great day. And hey, come check me out at chrispalmerseo.com. Have a good day. Bye-bye.